Hi friends. Welcome to my kitchen. My name is Isabel. I'm happy to see you on my channel. "600 grams pork tenderloin, about 1 1/3 pounds. Pork tenderloin is super tender and cooks really fast, so it stays nice and juicy. Add salt. Add black pepper. You can toss it in a quick marinade, pan-sear it, or roast it, and it always turns out great for any meal. I'm very curious what city you're watching my video from. Vegetable oil. Sear the meat on all sides until golden brown. Pork tenderloin is lean, high in protein, and full of flavor. This recipe is incomparable. I highly recommend trying it. Tenderloin gives you lots of protein without much fat. Polodwiczka is seared over high heat to keep it juicy and develop a golden crust. Add butter. Three garlic cloves. Garlic, a natural antibiotic, strengthens immunity, lowers blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Add the garlic to the meat. Add dried marjoram. Drizzle the meat with the seasoned oil. Four teaspoons of mustard. 1 tablespoon of balsamic sauce. Mix everything well. Lay out a sheet of foil and a sheet of parchment paper. Spread the sauce over the meat. Hit that like button, or my dish might get its feelings hurt. Wrap the meat in the parchment paper and foil. Wrap the second piece as well. Thank you for the comment, like, and subscription. Enjoy a delicious treat that's high in protein and good for digestion. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. One carrot. Carrots are rich in vitamins, fiber, antioxidants, and support eye health. Carrots are good for eyesight and help strengthen the immune system. Vegetable oil. Sauté the carrots. Bell pepper. Bell pepper packed with vitamin C and antioxidants, boost metabolism and support immune function. Bell peppers also contain vitamin A, potassium, and antioxidants like beta-carotene, which support eye health and reduce inflammation. Add pepper to the carrots. Lightly sautéed vegetables retain most of their vitamins and antioxidants while becoming more flavorful and aromatic. One onion. Rich in antioxidants, especially quercetin, onions help fight inflammation and support heart health. They also have natural antibacterial properties and can boost your immune system. Add onion to the vegetables. Stewed vegetables are nutritious because they retain vitamins, provide fiber, and are easy for the body to digest. When vegetables are fried, compounds form that give them a caramelized flavor, but it's important not to overcook them to preserve the vitamins. Cucumber. Cucumber hydrates the body, supports skin health, aids digestion, is low in calories, and contains antioxidants and vitamins. Cut the cucumber into thin strips. One tablespoon of honey. One teaspoon of balsamic sauce. Lemon juice. Add the juice to the sauce. Assemble the salad. Add the sauce to the salad. Grate the cucumber. Transfer it to a bowl. Parsley. Parsley is not just a garnish, it's packed with vitamin K, important for bones and blood vessels. Add salt. Two tablespoons of sour cream. Friends, thank you for watching until the end. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. It's the best reward for my work. Subscribe to the channel so you won't miss new videos. See you in the next videos and take care. Enjoy your meal.